Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you this nice Barbie look. I'm really feeling it. It is so bomb. I love the way it come out, the glow, everything. I am just living for this look, and if you want to know how to achieve this look, just keep on watching. But if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification, and join the gang. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna moisturize my face using the scent Ives, and I'm just gonna work that into my skin, and then I'm going to prime with the Fenty primer. I really love this primer. I use it a lot, but yeah, I am really loving it. So next we're going to go into foundation. Today I'm not going to do my eyes, I'm going to do foundation, and I'm taking the Maybelline in Warm Coconut Superstay and I'm going to dab that over my face, then blend it out with the Real Technique brush. I think this is the buffing brush, and I'm just gonna buff that into my skin. And even though the foundation looks a little light, it does oxidize and get a little darker, so yeah, don't come for me. So we're gonna highlight, and I'm using the LA Pro Concealer in Taffy, and I'm also going to use the LA Pro Concealer, the yellow one, that's it, and just a couple of the dabs, and then I'm going to blend it out with the Real Technique brush. It's a contouring brush, but I use it to blend out. And I just want to add, guys, you don't necessarily have to use a brush. You could use a beauty blender for this. I am just testing out something because normally I would use a sponge, but yeah. So now I'm using my foundation brush that I used before, and I'm just blending out the edges, making sure that there isn't any harsh lines, and everything is just blend seamlessly. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm blending out these areas because before going into set, because I have problem with this area. So I'm using the Sasha Buttercup to set. As usual, as you know, this is what I always use to set. So I really like it. It gives like a natural look for my skin tone, but I think one day I'm gonna try something new. Not sure when. What is your favorite setting powder? If you're this far into the video, let me know in the comment section. So now I'm blending out those creases that you see in eyes. Make sure you have a smooth canvas before setting. You always want to do that, guys, before setting any liquid or cream area. You want to make sure it's smooth, blend it smooth, then set it, because you don't want to set it with a crease, then it's gonna set crease, you know, you're gonna be creasy. So I'm gonna set my overall face using the Laura Mercier in medium. And remember, guys, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. What me say, hit the subscribe button. But yeah, I'm just setting it overall. So the next clip, I think we're going to go into the eyes. No? Okay. I'm gonna set my problem areas. This is what I was talking about. Like here, oh my god, it's just crazy. It creases so much. And even doing this, it still creases. I don't know if it's a foundation, primer, or what, but it creases So I'm doing a little baking because I'm going to do my eyeshadow next, and any fallout I want it to fall on the loose powder. That's why most persons do that. So these are the two palettes I'm going to use. First, going in the BH Cosmetic with this pink. It doesn't have a name, so yeah. So I'm using a fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M353, and I really love this brush to blend out, so I'm using it to blend out. It's my new favorite brush, guys. Normally I use a BH Cosmetic, it's my real brush as my blending brush, but now there's a new sauce in town. Okay, so I need this on my chicken. So I'm blending it out. Then I'm going with this lipstick as a base to keep that shimmery color that I'm going to apply next, you know, make it sticky, plus gives a little color too, so I like that. At one point I was like, should I even go any further with this look, because I was loving this pink look. It was giving me life. Okay, it was giving me life, because you know sometimes these simple looks are just So this is a Juvia's Place palette, the magic palette, and I'm going in with that nice shimmery pink color. I really like it. It is so beautiful. Yeah. So what are you guys up to? I don't know what else to say. So what's up? What's poppin'? I'm crazy. See, that's the reason why I don't do voiceovers sometimes. You know, so I'm going in with the transition color here, guys, just to blend out any harsh line, you know. Yeah, so we're using this glitter by Mermaid Scale. I really like their glitters, and it's like a coral. I think this is Coral Reef, the name of it. And I'm going to add some NYX glitter glue, and I'm using the mouth of it just to dab those finely dots where I want the glitter to go, because I want the glitter sparsely all over my eyes, not just like uniform. So that's why I did it like that. And I'm using this brush to apply it. So that's in a way all that part, you know, all that junk in the hunk, you know. Brushing away all that powder, guys, and we're going to move on to wait, what are we moving on to? We are moving on to bronzing. And this is the CoverGirl Ebony. I know you guys see this in a lot of videos that I do. Okay, it's a staple. I love it. No, I must say that I did go heavy with the bronzer today, but I did fix that. So come for who? Not me today. So I'm contouring my nose, you know, bringing back life into my face because it's a bit dull. So we're using the concealer. That's the little that's left on the brush to because we're going to apply color there. Remember the transition color? That's what we're going to add there, and I really wanted it to pop, so that's why I add the concealer, and I'm using this little brush to apply it there. So I am going to highlight. Okay, I did go a little too much with the highlighter, but you know, I checked myself and I fixed it, so no need for checking. Haha. So we're adding a little blush, and this is the Black Radiant blush. I really like it, and I'm setting my face with the Morphe Setting Mist or Continuous Spray, something like that. And what else we're going into? Yeah, we're going into the eyes, and this is the lashes that I have on. It's by Kiss, and this is the style Rizzy, and it's really nice. It's a very natural type of lash if you're interested. And we're going with that color in the inner corner of the eyes, just to spruce it up some little, you know, make it stand out. Yeah, and add some mascara to the bottom part of my lashes, which I did do with the top, but you know, this video is like 11 minutes long and I'm just trying to cut down. So it's the lip time, and I am using my concealer brush just to give my lip a even base, and then I line it with the NYX liner, lip liner in brown, and then we're going to go in with the NYX liquid lipstick, cashmere. That's it, look at it. It's a really nice liquid lipstick and affordable, I must say. Yeah, so putting that all over the lips. Then we're going in with the Revlon lip gloss, very affordable too. So yeah, and the look is finished, guys. Remember, if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and if you're an old subby coming back to watch, thank you so much for the support. Thank you for liking and watching and all that jazz, and I'll see you in my next video.